All right, so we're about to start looking at the way you do solution stoichiometry. You need to recall what stoichiometry is. Please stop the tapping of your feet there. I'm sure they got a dance class for you if you want it.
Ryan, you're in dance class?
Stoichiometry, please pay attention here and write the notes so you don't get behind. Stoichiometry is the math in chemistry for which a balanced chemical equation is required. Stoichiometry is the math in chemistry for which a balanced chemical equation is required. Stoichiometry is the math in chemistry for which a balanced chemical equation is required. Okay, we'll also need to learn about a term called titration. Titration is a process where two solutions are mixed.
What is that?
Titration.
Titration.
Titration. Titration is a process where two solutions are mixed to a stoichiometric endpoint. Two solutions are mixed to a stoichiometric endpoint. Yeah, where the reaction ends. So that the concentration of one solution so the concentration of one solution can be determined from the amount
Probably need to move your camera up a little bit.
thought you said it was too small anyway.
Or
From the amount and concentration of the other. Titration. A process where two solutions are mixed to a stoichiometric endpoint so that the concentration of one solution can be determined from the amount and concentration of the other. Got that? Okay, let's start an example then. Show you how it works. If 27.45 milliliters of a 2.00 molar concentration of KOH solution is used to titrate.
What, M?
Yeah, M stands for molarity or molar concentration. That's in the notes I gave you a while ago. Capital M with a line under it. Used to titrate. KOH.
Titrate?
Yes.
Titrate.
20.00 milliliters of a phosphoric acid solution. If 27.45 milliliters of a 2 molar KOH solution is used to titrate a 20 milliliters of a phosphoric acid solution, what is the molar concentration of the acid? Okay, so there are several steps in here. Okay. First thing you need to do is interpret the problem. I have two different chemical species in this problem. Okay? Titration by definition means we're going to have a chemical reaction between these two chemicals. Alright? That's how you get that stoichiometric endpoint. Stoichiometry, remember, requires a balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equations occur when you have a reaction. So this is going to be a chemical reaction between two chemicals. So read the problem, interpret the problem, and write down for yourself right now in a short sentence what are the two chemical species that are reacting here. Write to yourself a note. Interpret the problem and write down what two chemical species are reacting here. Write down on your paper what two chemical species are reacting here.